And now, World Improv Network proudly presents Community Court.
What the parties cannot solve a dispute. No. Community court is there to solve the problem. See? Okay, everyone. All rise for the Honorable Judge William Law, capital I.
All right. Thank you very much. I still getting the summer allergies are getting to me, and I had some medicine my wife gave me. So if I doze off today, it has nothing to do with my professionalism. It's just like a thing that happens. And I need to warn people today, if you're have any animal allergies, you might want to go outside and take some medicine and then come back in the courtroom, because things might get a little hairy-carry in here and a little catty-wonkus and a little dog-a-doodle. So that was a lead-in to our case today. You'll understand when I read this docket. Ladies and gentlemen, this is interesting. First human-animal case I've ever had in this courtroom. So what I've got today is I open page 1 of the docket. Wow, look at that. This is like 30 bond paper. That's nice stuff. All right. Well, I have here our plaintiff today is Catherine Claus-Spencer. I take it she's married, but I guess we'll find out in a minute, because who knows the names these days, and everything's wiggle-wampus in a courtroom. So, you, Catherine, I see you filed a lawsuit against a cat. I guess I have to find out in your statement here if this is your cat or not, for not wanting to be hugged on Cat Day. And we have the defendant today is the cat. Well, isn't that interesting? Gasper, Gasper is what the docket says here, and I see Gasper. All right. Now, I was afraid of this.
Down, Spike!
All right,
Don't
Spike,
kiss!
all right, hey, Spike. Spike, come lay on your dog bed next to my leg, and you will not move from there, or I will shock your butt like you've never been shocked before with my little cattle probe that I have here for...
You better stay, Spike!
All right, let me make sure my batteries are charged on the cattle probe. All right, Spike, you stay there. All right. All right, this will be the most unruly this case gets, because I will have none of this. Catherine Claus-Spencer, ma'am, would you please tell me your side of the story?
It's National Hug Your Cat Day, and my kitty cat doesn't want to be hugged. And it's not fair, because you see this lovely dress that I have on?
Yes, I see the stripes.
It's my kitty cat's face. It's not fair. I give him all the food in the morning, even the wet food, and he doesn't come over and want me to pat his little back. I even go over and I even scratch the side of his face, and he doesn't like it, and that's not fair.
All right, so what I get from your side of the story is you got a cat. Your cat doesn't want to be hugged, but you scratch the cat's face. Gasper, how do you respond to that? Well, that doesn't sound good. Wow. All right, I don't speak cat. Anyone in the courtroom speak cat? Raise your hand. Yes, sir. Your name, please come up here.
Yes, my name is Dr. Fritz Walter.
Fritz Walter, doctor, sir, please translate what the cat just said.
The cat just is saying that it is traumatized.
All right.
Clearly the owner over here has done some seriously bad things to its cat.
All right, so
and that's why it doesn't want to be hugged anymore.
Okay, I just need you to translate and not interpret. It only will be admissible if you interpret exactly what's coming out of the cat's mouth beside that drool down the right side.
That's what he said.
Okay, so what does that mean?
He's drooling because of catnip. She makes him take catnip 4 times a day.
And he doesn't like that, or?
Gasper does not like
Does
catnip.
not like catnip.
This has like almost a pseudo-Adamo-Heron reaction.
Okay, I got reaction, and I guess that's enough for my docket. Sir, I need to ask Gasper one more question. Gasper, are you happy in your current situation? Doctor, please translate exactly for us.
He said he's about to hang himself from a light post.
Wow, that doesn't sound good. All right, Catherine Claus-Spencer, how do you respond to your cat?
This is crazy. This is my kitty cat. My kitty cat, you don't speak. This gentleman doesn't speak kitty cat. I speak kitty cat. My kitty goes meow meow, and he likes it.
All right, well then.
He likes it, and I get in the catnip. The catnip. He likes it.
Down, Spike!
Order in the courtroom.
Kitty, come
Order
home.
in the
Come home
courtroom.
to me.
Order. I don't want to fire my flare gun off in here, and I'll burn this place down if it gets too out of hand, folks.
Go ahead, John.
I know. We won't talk about my childhood 4th of July experience. All right. Well, ma'am, you said you speak cat, and you said the doctor wasn't translating appropriately. What is your translation of what your cat said when it went and all that stuff?
My kitty, it's mad at me because I got the budget catnip from Costco. Okay, I got it on his sale, and he doesn't like it. He likes the expensive catnip.
What brand is the expensive catnip that you didn't buy?
That kind with the kitty that's got the white fur. You know, on the commercials, the kitty has the white fur.
You can say the brand name.
I can't remember.
Okay.
It's the kitty like not the meow meow.
All right. I guess you're blowing smoke up
It is
someplace in
fancy.
my body.
Fancy feast, Judge.
Thank you.
That's
I'm a
the
cat
one, yes,
expert. I know
Yes,
these things.
I thought it was
Fancy.
Fancy Feast because I saw that label once and the commercial's hideous. But
After I got my doctorate and double PhD
All right,
in cat
all
psychology and
right.
counseling.
Order. All right. Sounds like everyone in the dang courtroom's on catnip. All right, and the cheap kind.
Judge,
I need to ask
I
Gasper.
got some in my eye.
All right. Don't scratch your eye. I said don't.
Judge, I'm sorry, but
All right. Just put it in your mouth and put it up in your gums. All right. Now I need to ask Gasper another question. Gasper Cat, please explain your counter suit here, please, Gasper. All right. Doctor, please translate what Gasper said in his counter suit.
He says he wants a mansion in Beverly Hills, and that would be the only suitable answer to this outcome in this case.
Okay, a mansion in Beverly Hills, and how
He
will
wants to live with Cher.
share?
No freaking way.
Yes, Cher,
All
the
right,
actress Cher.
all right. I know that we've had celebrities in this courtroom before, so sir, you can just stifle your gum jumping there. All right, how do you respond to that, Catherine Claus-Spencer?
I didn't know that the kitty wants those things. The good news is I do karaoke and I can do Cher. Do you believe in love after love? Kitty, do you like that? Do you believe in love after love? Kitty, he loves that. You hear that? Kitty wants to come home.
Well-
Do you believe in
All
love
right,
after love?
I get the
Kitty?
idea. I get that's quite an impression, and I, for
Thank
some
you.
reason, feel absolutely sick to my stomach, and I haven't even eaten yet. Wow, this is quite a case. We got going.
Judge, I feel dizzy.
All right, well, just keep that up in your gums, cheek and gums. And,
Okay.
If you start seeing things from another planet, bailiff, you let me know.
I'm counting on Velveeta jumping fence.
Yeah, the moon is made of velvet. All right, bailiff, that doesn't much do to this case, but all right. I see the cat is purring and sleeping. Seems comfortable from that Cher impression. I just have another question for you, Mrs. Claus-Spencer, is why on earth are you suing your cat for $2 million?
I think I understand that. One time, I just didn't want to say this out loud. I read his kitty diary the other day, and I know that he wants to live in Beverly Hills. And so, kitty, I am suing you for my money to buy a mansion in Beverly Hills for us, and we can do the Cher karaoke, kitty.
All right, so obviously you have the same goal in mind, it sounds like to me. How do you respond to that, Gasper? I notice your owner here wants to move to Beverly Hills as well.
Kitty.
All right, doctor, could you translate that purring for us?
He says if it has to be that way, anything that they can do to live together, but Cher must be the roommate.
Which Cher?
The Cher that says you can believe in love after love.
Right, so the real Cher
Has to be roommate with Kitty and the owner.
All right, I now need to ask Gasper one more question. So you want to live with a real Cher? Would it be okay if the impersonator, your owner here, fake Cher, live with you in the Cher house of Cat and Cher, maybe? Doctor, what is the cat saying?
Only if you give top drawer catnip. No more fake stuff from Costco.
All right. I think I'm ready to rule in this case. Ladies and gentlemen, in the first human to pet case in my courtroom, I have to say, I think this is a happy outcome. I'm just going to throw those dollar amounts out, and we're going to take the Velveeta fund that we have, and the court here is going to buy the house in Beverly Hills, and I want you both to live there, and I will personally call Cher and ask her to move in with you, and that's my ruling.
Okay, kitty.
Hey, bachelors, bachelorettes, and everyone in between. Want to take a shot at love? Send the questions you would want to ask on a date to the Win Matchmakers during the break and see if you can help make the perfect match.